Hello, this week we're going to look at the pen tool on Microsoft Word. I've just clicked on the top and you can see I can write directly in the box. So I'm just going to write English again just to show you how it appears. If I've made a mistake, I can scroll across and draw a line through it to remove that word. I can write as much or as little as I like in this box and it will appear directly in Word. For the purpose of this, I've created a quick worksheet and we're going to go through showing you all the pen tools that are available. So for the first one, in English, we're going to highlight the correct definition of the words below. The first one is crucial, so I'm just going to choose my highlighter, and then like last week we can lean on the screen and I'm just going to draw over that. I've drawn over very loud. Crucial does not mean very loud, so I can rub it out, rub out my mistake and go back to the highlighter. Crucial is very important. Mimic is to copy. You notice that trying to roll up, I can't do that with the pen active. I can use the side to scroll down. Distinct is meaning separate, but I'm going to do this one in a different colour just because I'm not 100% sure, and then I can come back to that later on. For maths, I can, in this example, it's asking me a few questions, so I'm just going to select one of the pens. I'm going to select the thinner pen and write the answer directly on top of it. And then I'm going to change the colour. If I make a mistake, I can change the colour. So in this one, I'm just going to put. I've made a mistake there, so I'm going to write my correct answer in the correct colour. I can also show working out, but I can use any pen, and if I make mistakes I can just use the eraser, which is at the top. If I go back to it, I'm going to go so 9x plus 2x equals 11x 11x equals 55 over 11 equals 5, so x equals 5. I can show my workings. Again, you need to use your pen to scroll down the screen. For this last one, it's asking me to draw a graph. Now I can again use different thicknesses of pens and different colours. I'm just going to draw the axis in a thick one and go back to, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to do I'm going to plot my points like so. That's just a quick showcase for pens in Word. Next video will be other applications or other techniques that we could potentially do now we've got the pen. Thank you.